Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to give you the very latest weather analysis for the day Monday until Wednesday, January 29 to 31, 2024. And last weekend, we were not able to give you the latest update since we are busy. Okay, we have some family matters to attend to. So just today, we are free right now to give you the very latest. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000, and we'd like to thank our partners, Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. If you are interested to visit their sustainability website, it's called #BPI Sustainable With You campaign. Just click on the link up, okay, if you're watching YouTube, or on the description if you're watching via Facebook. Okay, so just check it out and discover more about the sustainable campaign of BPI, Bank of the Philippine Islands. And also thanks to Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabby Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin with our update. We have a rain event right now occurring across the eastern and northern sections of Mindanao, and that includes Caraga and Davao regions. And because of the shear line, which has extended more to the west, and it's expected to bring on enough rainfall with thunderstorms within the next 24 to up to 48 hours, so even extend up to 72 hours. So those living along the low-lying areas, flood-prone areas, including the landslide-prone areas, please take all necessary precautions for possible effects of this shear line, which is so low because of a strong high-pressure ridge over eastern China. That's why over Luzon and Visayas, we are experiencing strong winds blowing from the northeast because of the northeast monsoon. These are cooler winds with temperature ranging from 20 degrees up to 25 degrees. Okay, and the northeast monsoon right now is just affecting the eastern sections of central Luzon and Bicol region, weakening over northern Luzon, but there's still some winds brought about by the monsoon, and it is expected to persist for the next 48 hours. So the risk of flooding over eastern and northern Mindanao remains high. Okay, later on we are going to give you the very latest graph set. We're going to create it later tonight. And for the fast animation, so this is from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. You can see here the increasing cloudiness of the shear line, which has separated from the near equatorial trough located here. So it's interacting. The converging northeasterly cooler winds and the warm easterly winds are creating these massive thunderstorms across Mindanao. So even though we have El Nino, this is only for a few days, and then later on we expect dry conditions for the next 2 weeks. Okay, so it will be just for this week. Okay, probably 1 to 3 days. So here's now the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, UMETSAT. Then you can clearly see here the cooler winds from the northeast monsoon affecting Cagayan Valley, eastern sections of Luzon, northern Quezon, Bicol region. There are some light drizzles to light rain showers expected over the Bicol region. So sometimes we experience that, but the winds will be again from 10 to 50 kph. And also across Visayas, cooler conditions. But over Mindanao, it will be rainy, and the high risk of flooding will remain. So please take all necessary precautions. And as for the wind forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, we expect the northeast monsoon will slowly weaken, but still affecting Bicol region, Visayas, and northeastern and eastern Mindanao together with the shear line. And by Wednesday, it will start to it will be downgraded into the northeasterly wind flow, and on Thursday, it will be returning to light easterly or warm easterly winds. Okay, so it will just the northeast monsoon over the southern part of the Philippines will just prevail for the next 48 hours. After that, decreasing winds and the light winds will resume particularly during the first day of February. Okay, we are now entering love month. Okay, as for the rain forecast, we return on today. So here's now the shear line affecting Caraga and Davao regions, and by tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, continuous rainfall will again prevail. Tomorrow, Tuesday, across Eastern Mindanao, Caraga, and Davao regions, and some thunderstorms will also affect the northern portions of Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro, and also over Soxigen. So don't forget to bring your rain gear and umbrellas. By Wednesday, the shear line will start to weaken. Okay, and just isolated thunderstorm will still affect some portions of eastern and northern Mindanao. And on February 1, it will just bring some thunderstorms over the western sections of Mindanao, Zamboanga Peninsula, and the western sections of Soxigen. That includes Lanao provinces, and also the Bangsamoro administrative regions will be affected by these thunderstorms on February 1. If we move to February 2, it looks like dry conditions will resume across Mindanao. But some last of those thunderstorms will still affect Zamboanga. So that will be on February 2. And February 3, Saturday, it's all dry across the Philippine Islands. So we expect increasing temperatures, maybe 31, 32 degrees. Heat index will again increase up to 38 or 40 degrees. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids, okay, water. So here's the rainfall accumulation forecast through Wednesday. So the bulk of the rainfall are concentrated over northern and eastern Mindanao, particularly Caraga and Davao regions. So the rainfall will be around 50 to more than 100 millimeters. So please take all necessary precautions and just be on alert for possible flooding and landslide generated by this diffused shear line. Actually, it's already diffused since it is just concentrated on a local section of the Western Pacific. The frontal system is gone far away. Okay, and as for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, and we will extend this until Thursday. Okay, right now we are experiencing 3.5 to 4 meters of wave heights over the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, east of Luzon, east of Visayas, and east of Mindanao, while over the inland areas it remains 0.5 to 2 meters, as well as here around 1 to 2 meters over the West Philippine Sea. And on Thursday afternoon, 3 to 3.5 meters will still be expected over the eastern coastal waters of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So it will be dangerous to small sea crafts, fishing vessels. So avoid fishing for this week. While over the inland waters of the Philippines, Sulu Archipelago, Visayan Sea, Sibuyan Sea, it will be around 1.5 to 2 meters. Okay, while 0.5 to 1 meters over the Sibuyan Sea. Over the West Philippine Sea, it will be around 1 to 2 meters. And it's safe over the West Philippine Sea to have some fishing activities. Wednesday, January 31st, wave heights of 2.5 to 3 meters will still be expected, but it's slowly decreasing, okay, across the Philippine Sea, over the coastal waters of eastern Luzon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. Inland areas will be calm to light to at times moderate waves, okay, 0.3 to 1.5 meters, as well as over the West Philippine Sea. The wave heights is around 1 to 1.5 meters. And on February 1, it's still slowly weakening. The wave height will just be around 2.5 to 2.7 meters and slowly returning to normal. while over the inland waters of the Philippines will be light waves 0.5 up to moderate waves of 1.5 meters, as well as over the West Philippine Sea it will be around 1 to 2 meters. Okay, so it's safe to fish, have some fishing activities over the West Philippine Sea. So it's a lot calmer over the West Philippine Sea and the inland waters. So just avoid the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, those facing the Bicol region, okay, and Eastern Visayas as well as Eastern Mindanao. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday, and we will return in the middle of the week from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.